Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix no delivery available on Shopify. So if customers see the no delivery available at checkout, follow these steps to fix it. Step 1 is checking shipping zones. So go to your Shopify admin, then navigate to settings at the bottom left of the screen. Now you can navigate to shipping and delivery, and here you can choose to add general shipping rates just on this page. Make sure that the customer's country or region is included in a shipping zone. If missing, add a new shipping zone and set the rates. Now, step 2 will be verifying shipping rates. So ensure that shipping rates exist for all regions. If using carrier rates, check for valid API connections, then set flat rates or free shipping if needed. Now, step 3 will be checking product shipping settings. Now, navigate to your product page just right here. Now, scroll down to shipping section. Then ensure that this is a physical product is checked, that is this button, and make sure that the product is assigned to a shipping profile. After ensuring this, you can navigate to step 4, that is checking for Shopify markets for international sales. Navigate to Shopify admin, click on settings at the bottom left of the screen, then navigate to markets and ensure that the customer's country is enabled in this section. Now, step 5 will be testing checkouts and fixing errors. So use another address to check if the issue is location specific, try different shipping methods, and if using third-party apps like Printful or DHL, ensure they support the location. If the issue persists, reach out to Shopify support for assistance. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.